What if you can create short 1-minute marketing videos, whether it's for your business, for your channel, with just a few clicks of a button? This is what you can do with Smart Short Clips in Filmora 14. Go to Filmora and click on Smart Short Clip, upload the video. You can upload your long form video, podcast, or any video that you have done. You can also paste your YouTube URL if you want to. I'm going to use one of my videos that I've created about Filmora earlier on. So I'm just going to drag and drop it in. Here I get to select several things to give AI some guidelines. First is to select the language. I'm going to select US English, and the duration of that video clip. I'm going to choose, say, between 30 to 60 seconds. You can select longer as well, since now, say, YouTube Shorts allow you to shoot longer videos, same as TikTok as well. Next is the theme, whether it's marketing or educational videos. To me, they are mostly the same because educational videos are just as great as marketing as well. Let's choose educational videos. But the thing to look out for is the text that shows up here. Some of it are a little bit different, so you can experiment. Next, you can select your templates, whether you want this kind of templates. Let's stick with educational since this is an educational channel. And I'm going to call this Expert Lectures. And basically, that's all you need to do. So once you're alright, just click on Generate. Filmora will first detect the language. It will take a few moments to go through this video because this is quite a lengthy video, almost 12 minutes long. After a few minutes, this is what Filmora came up with. 10 short clips that I can use for marketing my channel. Now you can use these things for your regular videos as well, whether it is, say, a podcast or your long form video, and it gives you titles as well as the text here that it has detected language earlier on, and you can play this. So once you play this, it will give you an idea what are the shots it has created. So here it also gives you the score, 9 out of 10. This one is close, a little bit lower, and these are all the 10 videos based on my single long form tutorial that I've created earlier. If you haven't seen the video, you can check out the link in the description or perhaps somewhere up there. But so these are the shots of my tutorial that Filmora has created automatically for me. If I want to make changes to the title, I can edit them here. However, I find that it gives great idea, things that I haven't thought about to use for shorts as well. Now, if I am just lazy and choose not to do anything, I can just export all this without editing it, and I can use it straight away. But if I want to edit it, I can. All I need to do is click on Edit, and then it will place all this into my timeline, in the full Filmora timeline, to edit this video. I can change, say, the text, and these are the text and the titles that Filmora has already done with all the nicely done highlights as well. It's truly amazing. Now, if let's say it gets anything wrong and you want to make changes either to the word or to the color, you can change this as well. So let's say this is too big, and then we can make it smaller. I can change it, and it happens real time on the frame so that you can see it. And let's say you choose to change this word, you can delete this as well, or make changes to the spelling, things like that. Of course, you can reposition the text and titles as well, so you have all this kind of flexibility. And once you're happy, you can just click on export and it becomes a short video. Now, if you are not ready to export, you can just save it, and once you save the project, you will be taken back to your other shorts that Filmora has created, and you can continue working on them. So this is truly an amazing feature that will help you market, whether it's your business, your YouTube channel, any videos that you place up just like that. I hope you found this video helpful. If you like it, do give it a thumbs up, and check out what's on the screen for other tools and tips on AI and software that can help enhance your life and your business.